Welcome back to this video. If you have Google account, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see top 5 ways to secure and protect your Google account right now. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to secure your Google account. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down. Scroll down and make sure you click on Google right here. So click on Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your Gmail account. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google account. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and make sure you click on security right here. So it's going to take you right here. What you need to do right here is to simply click on see details right here. Under your account is protected, see detail. So click on that. Then you will be taken right here. Now, these are the 5 steps you need to take into consideration in order to be sure that your Google account is fully secured. The very first one right here is your device. As you can see right here, critical issues found. What we need to do here is to simply review the critical issue and make sure we solve it. For us to do that, what we need to do is to simply click on here. Then here we go. So what we need to do right here on install harmful app from your device. And what you need to do right here is to simply click on Open Play Protect to remove harmful app from your device. So I'm going to simply click on Open Play Protect. Then it's going to take us right here. Now you have all harmful app in your Play Protect. What you need to do right here is to simply click on this particular setting icon. Having clicked on that, next thing you need to do is to make sure that you turn on this particular button right here. Improve harmful app detection. Click on that. Then you can simply go back. And refresh. Then scanning in progress. Allow it to scan completely and harmful app is going to be removed from your account. So let's go back to our Google right here. So we are done with that. So while we are waiting for this to complete, next thing we want to do here is to make sure we go to recent security activity. Click on that. So activity from the last 28 days, you need to review it. So if you take note of any unfamiliar activities right here, maybe the device you see right here is not your usual device that you use to log into your Google account, make sure you click on see unfamiliar activity and remove any unfamiliar activities from your account. So let's move to the third step for you to secure your Google account. So sign in and recovery. Click on that. Here, you need to just make sure that you turn on your 2-step verification on every your signing with Google account. With that, your account is going to be secure and you will be protected from being hacked. Okay, so let's move to the fourth way to secure a Google account. So the fourth way here is third-party connection. Click on that. So when you click on third-party connection, here you see all the websites that you have used your Google account to create an account with them. If you find out that some of the apps or websites here are not familiar, what you need to do is to simply click on the app or the website that is not familiar to you and remove access from them. It's as simple as that. Let's go to the very last one here under your save password section. Click on save password section right here. This is where you have all your password saved in your Google account. And what you need to do here is to click on go to password checkup. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on check password. Then enter your login password right here. Then click on next. So here we go, password checker. So right here, you have no password compromise right here. And the next one here is your password are unique, which is very good message. The very last one here is that for accounts using a weak password, what you need to do is to simply review this 4 accounts right here. And for you to do that, simply click on here, and then you will see all the 4 accounts that are using weak password. What you need to do is to simply click on change password to update and upgrade them with the strong password right here. It's that simple. So let's simply go back to our Google account security sections right here. As you can see right here, everything here now has been fully scanned and the account has been completely secure. What you need to do is to make sure that all these here are fully green, and with that your Google account is fully secure without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.